Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Zonai devices in tiers of the kingdom. This incredibly useful trick will help you gather an abundance of essential components for your contraptions. Imagine having dozens of big batteries or countless fans at your disposal. We'll walk through a straightforward method that can be performed with minimal effort, allowing you to maximize your inventory of these valuable resources. Get ready to supercharge your engineering projects. The core of this method involves a quick menu overload. First, hold exactly 5 of the Zonai devices you want to duplicate. Next, open your inventory and select a different item, like a single arrow, to hold. Now, while still in the menu, drop the 5 Zonai devices you were initially holding. As soon as you exit the menu, swiftly pick up the dropped items. This precise timing is crucial for the glitch to activate successfully, yielding extra devices. To maximize your haul, simply repeat the menu overload process. Each successful attempt can potentially double your current stack of 5 items. It's important to ensure you have sufficient inventory slots available, as the duplicated items will fill them rapidly. While this technique is highly effective for many Zonai devices, some larger or non-stackable items might require slight adjustments or different methods. With a little practice, you'll master the timing and become a master duplicator. Before you begin, always save your game. This provides a safety net in case anything unexpected occurs during the process. Remember that game developers sometimes release updates that can patch out these kinds of glitches, so make the most of them while they are available. With an endless supply of Zonai devices, your engineering possibilities are truly limitless. Go forth and construct the most imaginative and powerful machines Hyrule has ever seen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.